Welcome to Day 7 of the World of Sound 30-Day Challenge. Today we complete our first week. Before we listen to our new sound, let's tune in. Please close your eyes and take a deep breath. What sounds do you hear? Are they continuous, pulsed, sporadic, rhythmic, high, low? Can you notice any more subtle sounds? Now let's take another deep breath. We're going to listen to the same sound as yesterday, but played at triple speed now, then regular speed. What rhythms do you hear? Listen closely. This was an underwater recording from the Mesoamerican Coral Reef. Stay tuned for Day 8 of the 30-Day Challenge from World of Sound.